Hello and welcome to SAYED'S Biology. In this lecture, the anatomy of the nephron will be discussed in brief. The nephron is the functional unit of the kidney responsible for filtering blood and producing urine. Each kidney contains around 1 million nephrons, and understanding their structure and function is essential in understanding kidney physiology. Renal corpuscle. The renal corpuscle is the initial structure of the nephron, which consists of the glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. The glomerulus is a network of tiny capillaries, which filters the blood by allowing small molecules such as water, glucose, amino acids, and electrolytes to pass through. The Bowman's capsule surrounds the glomerulus and collects the filtrate. Proximal convoluted tubule. The proximal convoluted tubule (PCT) is the next part of the nephron after the Bowman's capsule. The PCT is lined with epithelial cells that have microvilli, which increase the surface area for reabsorption. The PCT reabsorbs approximately 65% of the filtered sodium, water, and glucose, as well as amino acids, bicarbonate, and phosphate ions. Loop of Henle. The loop of Henle is a hairpin-shaped structure consisting of a descending limb and an ascending limb. The loop of Henle is responsible for creating a concentration gradient in the renal medulla that is essential for the production of concentrated urine. The descending limb is permeable to water, allowing for the reabsorption of water from the filtrate, while the ascending limb is impermeable to water but reabsorbs sodium and chloride ions. Distal convoluted tubule. The distal convoluted tubule (DCT) is the next part of the nephron after the loop of Henle. The DCT is responsible for fine-tuning the reabsorption of sodium and water, as well as regulating the secretion of potassium and hydrogen ions. The DCT also plays a role in the regulation of blood pH. Collecting duct. The collecting duct is the final part of the nephron responsible for transporting the urine from the DCT to the renal pelvis. The collecting ducts are permeable to water and are regulated by the hormone AD, antidiuretic hormone, which controls water reabsorption and urine concentration. In summary, the nephron is responsible for filtering the blood and producing urine. The different parts of the nephron have specialized functions, with the renal corpuscle responsible for filtration, the PCT responsible for reabsorption of sodium, water, and glucose, the loop of Henle for creating a concentration gradient, the DCT for fine-tuning the reabsorption and regulating blood pH, and the collecting duct for transporting urine and regulating water reabsorption.